Sly Fox and Red Hen. Red Hen lived in a little house in a tree. Sly Fox lived in the wood, and he was hungry. Sly Fox picked up his big black bag. "I'm going to catch Red Hen and eat her," he said. Sly Fox hid in Red Hen's little house. "I'm the fox, I'm the fox, I'm really sly. You can't beat me however you try," said Sly Fox. Red Hen saw Sly Fox and jumped up out of his way. "You're the fox, you're really sly. But you won't catch me however you try," said Red Hen. "I will catch you," said Sly Fox, and he ran round and round and round. Red Hen's head went round and round too. She fell down into Sly Fox's big black bag. Sly Fox ran into the wood. The big black bag was heavy and Sly Fox sat down to rest. Then he fell asleep. Red Hen jumped out of the bag. "You're the fox, you're really sly, but you won't catch me however you try," said Red Hen. Red Hen put some heavy stones in the bag. Then she ran all the way home. Sly Fox tipped the bag into the cooking pot. I'm the fox, I'm really sly. I will eat you, say goodbye." The stones fell splash into the cooking pot. "Oh no," said Sly Fox. "I did not catch Red Hen." All right, now we have come to the final page. Okay, question number 1. Where does Red Hen live? Where does Red Hen live? Yes?
A little house.
Yes, she lives in a little house. Very good. Where does Sly... Yes. Where does Sly Fox live?
In a forest. In the woods.
In the wood.
In the wood.
Very good. In the wood. Okay. How does Sly Fox catch Red Hen? How? Now the fox took a big black bag and went to Hen's house. And then what did he do?
He hid in Red Hen's little house.
Yes, he hid in Red Hen's little house and then? What happened?
Went round and round and round. Then
Yes.
Red Hen's head also went round and round and round. And Red Hen fell into the big black bag.
Very good. Very good. That's how the Sly Fox catches Red Hen. Okay. Last question here. What does Red Hen put in the bag?
Stones.
Stones. She put stones in the bag. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the last page and match them to the story words. Where is the Red Hen, children? Red Hen is over here. And the Sly Fox. Where is the Sly Fox? It's over here. Stones
Red and
Are these? Yes. And where is the bag? It's here. And finally, this one is the wood. Very good. Well done.